So the app is going to come with instructions after you install the app. You'll notice here you could choose. I know it needs to be installed, and it's going to walk you through some instructions here. I'm just going to push next. It wants you to power down the HVAC, remove your old one, and it even prompts you to take a picture of your old wiring. And it tells you to remove the jumper from your previous wiring. Your current Sensi stat or thermostat has automatic wiring, so you also choose your wires. So I had an RC, so I chose, basically it was blank, and my old one had an RC, a white, a Y, and a G. And you can see here in the bottom it says it's a valid configuration. And I'm gonna go next. You know, whether it's gas, so I'm going to choose that it's gas, and I'm going to go next. And you'll notice here it tells you to label it and put in your wires. Click next, remove the base, pop the new one in, and it'll tell you, you know, there is put the corresponding wires in there, RC, Y, G, W, and E. Put it back in and turn on the power. And now it gives you the mode. So you're gonna push the menu, and I will allow here. So it's just gonna sense the Sensi, and it was unable to find. So going back to my thermostat, I'm going to push menu, and you'll see there's a blinking connect here. So I'm going to push connect, and that is going to blink. And now I'm going to go back to my app and detect the wireless. So now that I've done the connection on my thermostat, I am going to click next to detect the thermostat. So it's going to search for it on my network. And it found it. I'm going to click next, and I am going to click next again. And this pin is actually in the back of the thermostat or in a sheet that it gives you in the guide itself. So I'm going to enter in this number. So after I enter in the number, it's going to connect, set up the Wi-Fi. So that's my Wi-Fi network. And I'm going to put in my username and password, or actually just the password. After putting in the password, just join the network. So it's configuring the thermostat now. You can see the bottom says provisioning complete, and now it could actually name my thermostat. So I'm going to just say Sensi. I'm going to click next. So it's just registering my thermostat, and now I could start using it. You'll notice here I do have it configured. The Wi-Fi is on. I'm using battery, and it actually shows you the battery meter, which is great. When the battery's running down, you could actually tell. And I have everything off. You could have a manual setting here on the faceplate. So I just want to go through some of the features of the app itself. So you'll notice this is the home page. Gives you the degrees and the humidity. Down here, you have the settings, heat, cool, auto, or off. And your fan control, on or auto. And you could create a schedule here. So the schedule, your schedule type, you could have a program, geofencing. That means that if you're approaching your home that it might or might not turn on. You could do a programmed and edit schedule, and you'll see there is an entire basically, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday sort of deal. To discard, the heating schedule or an auto schedule. So in the auto schedule, for example, you could set sort of the same exact sort of temperature groups. And I'm just going to discard here, go through these really quickly. And usage, it actually shows you the usage, your monthly usage, for example. And in the settings, you could lock the display humidity. So I do want to display humidity, display time, display Fahrenheit or Celsius. In the system settings, you can lock the display on the manual display on the thermostat itself and control everything from the phone. You can have offset, heating cycle, cooling cycle, AC protection here, name, location, about the thermostat, the version of your app, and whether it's gas or whatever you configured it to be, the battery status, the voltage of the battery status, energy saving programs, it even gives you. So that's really it. That is a nutshell the application itself, very simple and basic. And I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.